Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into the top 5 portable washing machines that are perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, and more. These compact machines deliver convenience and performance, and we've carefully selected the best options on the market. As always, you'll find product links in the description below, so let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the Midea MLTW09M1BWW Portable Washer. This compact 0.9 cubic foot washing machine is designed for small spaces like apartments, RVs, and dorm rooms. It features a durable stainless steel tub that resists rust and offers a drum clean function to prevent residue buildup and odors. With 6 wash cycles, including quick wash, and 3 water level options, this washer delivers versatility for various fabric types. The Midea portable washer is thoughtfully designed with a transparent lid that allows you to monitor your laundry and a touch control LED display for easy operation. The child safety lock adds peace of mind for families, while the soft close lid ensures quiet operation. It's also energy efficient, with an estimated annual energy cost of just $7 when paired with a natural gas water heater. However, its smaller capacity may not be ideal for larger households or heavy-duty loads. It's best suited for individuals or couples who need a space-saving and user-friendly solution. While the price is currently unavailable, this washer is a strong contender for those prioritizing portability and energy efficiency. At number 4, we have the Magic Chef Top-Load Portable Washer. With a generous 1.7 cubic feet capacity, this machine stands out for its ability to handle larger loads compared to other compact washers. It's equipped with 6 wash cycles, 3 water levels, and 3 temperature settings, giving you plenty of flexibility to meet your laundry needs. The soft close glass lid adds a premium touch, while the stainless steel inner tub ensures durability and prevents fabric snags. This washer is ideal for those who value convenience and space efficiency. The electronic controls and LED display make it easy to select your desired settings, and the auto delay start feature is incredibly handy for busy schedules. However, at 20.7 inches wide, it's slightly bulkier than some other models, so consider your available space before purchasing. The Magic Chef washer is perfect for small households or individuals who want a balance between capacity and portability. While its price is unavailable at this time, its strong performance and thoughtful features make it worth considering if you're in the market for a reliable portable washing machine. Taking the third spot is the Costway Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine. With an impressive 26-pound total capacity, this washer is perfect for those who want to wash and spin clothes simultaneously. The laundry tub can handle up to 18 pounds, while the spin tub holds 8 pounds, making it ideal for medium-sized households. The Costway washer is a time saver, offering separate timers for washing up to 15 minutes and spinning up to 5 minutes. Its durable motor ensures efficient operation, while the transparent lid allows you to monitor the process. However, it's important to note that this machine achieves only 90% dryness, so you'll need to air dry your clothes to remove the remaining moisture. For $228.99, this washer offers excellent value for those who need a high-capacity yet compact solution. It's perfect for apartments, dorms, or even RVs. The only downside is its manual operation, which might not appeal to those seeking a fully automatic experience. Overall, it's a robust and efficient option for its price point. Our runner-up is the Borcolo Portable Washing Machine. This full automatic washer boasts a 17.7-pound capacity, making it ideal for families of 3 to 4. It features 10 wash programs, 4 water level settings, and 8 water temperature options, offering unparalleled customization for your laundry needs. The LED display is easy to read, and the child lock function ensures safe operation. What sets the Borcolo washer apart is its smooth and quiet operation, thanks to its automatic imbalance correction system. This prevents vibrations and shaking, providing a stable laundry experience. The 2-in-1 washing and spinning functionality is an added bonus, saving you time and effort. Priced at $215.99. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, yet it doesn't skimp on features. It's perfect for families or individuals who want a reliable and versatile washing machine without breaking the bank. The only notable drawback is its slightly heavier build at 46.9 pounds, which may make it less portable than other models. And finally, taking the top spot is the eHome portable washer. This compact yet powerful washer offers a 1.03 cubic feet capacity, capable of handling up to 8.8 pounds of laundry. With 10 wash programs and 5 water levels, it provides exceptional versatility for a wide range of fabrics and washing needs. The built-in lint filter and stainless steel drum ensure durability and ease of maintenance. The eHome washer is packed with thoughtful features, including a child safety lock, non-slip adjustable feet, and a transparent lid for monitoring your laundry. The LED display is intuitive, and the option to delay the wash cycle by up to 24 hours adds convenience for busy individuals. At $239.99, it's the most premium option on our list, but its high performance and robust build quality justify the price. This washer is ideal for small households or individuals who prioritize quality and advanced features. Its lightweight design and grooves for easy transport make it perfect for apartments, RVs, and other compact living spaces. While it's slightly smaller in capacity than some other models, its overall performance and thoughtful design earn it the top spot in our lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect portable washing machine for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment with any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Product links are in the description below if you're ready to make your purchase. See you in the next video.